I've just seen a tumble dryer, and I picked that up this morning, and I can't believe the GoPro hasn't recorded it. But I'll have to get in here and jig it round in a minute when I'm not on a main road. So yeah, that's steel, that's stainless steel. Scooter, chair. Yeah, proper disappointed that it didn't record, and I picked that little that plastic tub up just for storage. Needs a bit of a swell, like, but I'll clean it out and use it to put stuff in. So yeah, I've been out about an hour and a half, found a few things. For whatever reason, the GoPro hasn't recorded it, which is disappointing. So anyway, crack on. I'll see you on the next find. I need to jig this around. I need to tidy it up a little bit. Do some admin in here. It's getting out of hand. It's got a tea bag and a few things need washing out. That's a bit better. Of aluminium. That'll do for now. They're aluminium, they're steel. You can't take fridges, but you'll take the cord. Couple of pieces of aluminium, shower rail or something, that'll do. Holding all the traffic up. bulky as well. I'll take all them screws out at home, flatten it down more. Crush that down a bit. May as well lose my balance and go flying. Just seen a satellite dish. Oh, again, it's bulky, and is that metal or wood? No, it's wood, isn't it? Yeah. Sometimes these dishes are aluminium though. A lot of the time they're steel, but sounds like steel it before. Let's see if I can slide that in there. That'll be alright there. Tell you what, I don't know what planet they're picking up on that, but bleeding massive. It says work on this, I don't know if anything's in it. Oh yeah. That'll do. People just leave these all over the streets now, these bottles. I picked them up because they're steel, but that's brass. So. Computer with everything taken out of it. It all adds up. Let's come up on this here. I might have a go trying to get the cement mixer in, but oh, I mean, that wheelbarrow and that barbed wire. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. See what we can do with this. maybe if I do that, stick it that way, might be able to get it. Get my hands under it there. Oh, it's heavy. Whoa. You know what, sometimes you just don't know where you find strength from, do you? Well, it's in. Take that, that's clean. It's not bad. Oh yeah, that's from aluminium. Cast. A little bit of cast aluminium. And a snail. You can go. See you later. Got no spiders in here. Without you. Piece of cast. Is that all coiled, that razor wire? That's not too bad. Take that the way that is. On everything done in as sharp as anything. Get some battle scars in a minute, look. You can just see it. Right, it's not taking that. All that foam on it. Nothing still. Barbed wire is not as bad as I thought it was going to be, although it's just mangled up, isn't it? As long as I can get it in, that'll do. Let's see about this wheelbarrow. Come on, let go of me. Come on. We're in. buggy. Could be closed down somehow, but no, I have no idea. I'm lost when it comes to all that.